So the mycology broccoli, I think we're on day 9 or 10 now. So these are the within the lid. The ones I brought out, I just sort of, after I took the lid off of this, I planted in here, and you can see that they're obviously growing towards the light there. So, and I've watered these this morning, so just put them back out. So here you can pull these out, they will come out. If you're going to harvest them, do it before watering them. Obviously, if you're going to harvest them, you won't be watering them, but they will go, if you want to store them, they will go soggy in the container. So you can either pull them out fully like this and take them out. Let me take it out of the container because they look quite nice like this. So there, you can see that's fully grown. Again, that's not mould, that's root fur, that's fine. And you can reuse this. What you could do is harvest as you go. So in the morning, if you want to just add a few to a smoothie, you think, well, it's not that many, but actually the density of the nutrition is so much greater than if it was like a bag of broccoli or salad, you know, it just is. And the taste is, there's no sort of comparisons. So using either scissors or a knife, and obviously if you've got children, probably best adults do it, but even adults, be careful not to snip your fingers. So roots here, so literally cutting like this. So they're quite delicate, but equally they're pretty tough things. Sometimes you might pull up a little bit of soil, just cut that off. It's not harmful, obviously, even if you wanted to eat it anyway. So that is them harvested with the scissors. You can harvest them like this as well. So yeah, either option. There will be a video underneath, next one on storing microgreens with all the different varieties and whatnot there, and also regrowing. But as I said, these are designed to grow full pots, you start again, but if you were going to harvest all of them, which I'll do now, like that. So you've got a nice lot there. So that you can either dispose of. Grown commercially, we had large big flats, so it'd be on a rotation, so we wouldn't have the space to let them regrow, and they would go down to a local farm to be used in their green waste, or, you know, fed into the animals, chickens, you know, and pigs, you know, animals will have a go at it. If you have not got that and you are in a city, you might have a green waste disposal. It's perfectly safe to put it in that. Or an allotment, again, just putting it into that really, to start again. But you can let these regrow, so I will do that. Because they're already germinated, you don't need to put them back into dark, obviously. Just be careful, you won't need as much water as when you are watering, because the plant isn't as big to take that water. So literally giving them a little sprinkling of water like that, and putting them back in the window ledge or on a shelf in the light. They will not grow as dense as these ones. They will be a bit sparser. Again, you can harvest those bits as you went. So if you just wanted them growing and you just wanted to take a snippet and add it to meals, they will keep growing and keep growing and keep growing. So you can get even more, you know, for your buck, shall we say. So that is really the end of the mycology tutorial. Most of the seeds in our mycology are designed to grow at a similar rate. I chose these ones because they're the sort of easiest, quickest ones to grow. So I just think they're a really good introduction to finding your feet when trying to grow your own superfood. So thank you for watching.